Breaking, Comrade Bombshell rushes to hold another nation address Tuesday, the 16th of September 2025. The temperatures are rising. The 16th of September 2025. Spread the love. Video loading below. In a dramatic twist of events, CDE Bombshell has swiftly announced another nationwide address. Scheduled for the evening of Tuesday, the 16th of September 2025, the temperatures are rising. The development comes barely days after his last engagement with the nation, leaving Zimbabweans on edge and sparking widespread speculation about what urgent matters could have forced such an unusual back-to-back address. Government sources, speaking on condition of anonymity, hinted that Geza's message may touch on mounting political and economic tensions, amid growing calls from various sectors of society for leadership clarity. His decision to convene another address so quickly is being interpreted by analysts as a sign of intensifying pressure within the corridors of power. This is not business as usual, remarked a political commentator based in Harare. When leaders repeatedly call for urgent addresses in such close succession, it signals that either the situation on the ground is deteriorating fast, or that they want to get ahead of narratives being shaped by rivals. Meanwhile, citizens across the country have taken to social media platforms with mixed reactions. Some view Geza's move as a genuine attempt to reassure the nation, while others dismiss it as a political stunt designed to consolidate authority and overshadow growing criticism from within the ruling establishment. The temperatures are rising, as he phrased it, has also sparked curiosity and unease. Analysts warn the phrase could be a coded reference to the simmering discontent within the military, worsening economic hardship, or even the intensifying feud between top political heavyweights. As anticipation builds, all eyes are now fixed on tonight's national broadcast. Will Bombshell unveil decisive measures to cool down the rising political heat? Or will his words further fuel speculation and uncertainty? Stay tuned for live updates and in-depth analysis right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a breaking development.